We got 3 dome products from Whitestone. Whitestone dome glass are famous and we have reviewed them before, and these are for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These 3 are Whitestone dome case, dome UV film and dome glass. In this video we will look at one product and we will make separate videos on the rest. Links will be in the description. In this video we are looking at Whitestone dome UV film. There's the box, it says UV Gen film for Galaxy S24 Ultra, 2-pack, so you get 2 films, and it also has highlights. Now let's unbox. There is UV curing light. You can turn it on by plugging in a Type-C cable that you have. We don't get cable in the box. There's more accessories like cleaning cloths, dust removing stickers, alcohol swabs and more. First we need to test the UV curing light and see if it is working. Yes, it is. Now stick this foam thing on the surface and put the phone against it so it won't slide. You also get this plastic thing to block the charging port. Just insert it in the phone's port, and there are 2 pieces on this which help to keep the film in place. You will see what I mean in a second. Let's clean the display with cleaning materials they gave and remove the dust with dust removal sticker if you have to. Now open one film and place it on the plastic thing on the bottom and put it on the display. You can use the squeegee. This is the cart kind of thing they give in the box. That's the squeegee. Use this to spread the liquid or film evenly. To apply the film on screen, lift the top part of the film from screen and use the squeegee to press it like this from the center and swipe it towards the top. It might seem odd, but it works when you do it. So don't worry too much about it. Do the same move for the bottom part. Once done, you can use a squeegee to remove any bubbles, especially in the center where there might be a visible line. Press with fingers on the corners of the screen like this to make it fit well in the edges. Now remove the protective layer on top of the dome UV film. This is how it looks. Now use the UV curing light. The button on the UV light box has 2 modes. You can press once for 15 seconds. You can press twice for 60 seconds, and I pressed twice for 60 seconds. I placed it on top, middle and bottom for 60 seconds each. After the curing is done, I use the phone and the touch is pretty responsive. We can check the fingerprint sensor as well and it works just fine. It is better to re-register your fingerprints. I also put on the case. If you haven't watched the case video, link will be in the description, do check it out. And even with the case on, the dome film is good, doesn't have any issues. And the final test, the S Pen usage on the dome film. It works normally. It responds as if it would respond anyway. So it is working fine. This UV dome film is available on whitestonedome.com at $34.99, which is approximately 2,940 rupees. So that's pretty much it for this video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this? Like or dislike the video, share it with friends or enemies or both. And remember to subscribe to GreedyTech. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.